You are not gonna believe this. I have product empties which are literally filled to the brim. I've been collecting this for the past 3 months and I want to show you what are the product empties. Will I buy them? Will I not buy them? So let's go. First thing, I have a backup of this. This is the Renew lens solution. If you wear contact lenses, I feel like this is the best lens solution there is, period. You need to buy it. I buy it all the time. Next up, I have the Plum Macadamia hair mask. I love this mask for my hair, and if you feel like it suits your hair, it's gonna last you so freaking long. So yeah, I love this. Then we have the Dove body wash. It is the sensitive care one. I did like it, but I have just received their newer, which is the salicylic acid. It has all the active ingredients in it, so I'm gonna try that one first. I feel like I'll like that more than this because I have a lot of body acne. So yeah. Next thing which I finished is the hydrating body wash from Foxtail. I really enjoyed this and I genuinely loved this, and I think I finished this like so quickly because I love the experience of it. It also smells really nice. I know that I've come with a version of salicylic acid which I want to try, and also I love the packaging, so definitely repurchase for me. I think I showed this in the last empties, which is basically the moisture kick spray from Schwarzkopf. I sprayed this every single time and I probably like the second bottle of this is also running out. Amazing. If you want to style your hair every single day, you can use that. Then we have the Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender hair mask. Just look at it, पूरा खत्म कर दिया है मैंने. I love it. Like you guys, I don't think any of the hair mask leaves my hair feeling so soft like this one. I absolutely love this thing so much. Okay, I have multiple empties of this. I think I showed it in my last empty. It is the Garnier Micellar Water, which is the oil variant one. Again, I love this. I have another tubs of these. One of my favorites. Then we have the Bioderma gel mousse face wash. I was gonna say water mask. What is water mask? So I love it. Basically, it's amazing for like sensitive skin, all types of skin. I absolutely loved it. It's not stripping your skin with the excess oil. वो सब remove नहीं करता. It is the best. Perfect face wash. You need a really little tiny amount and just lather it on your face and you're good to go. Oh, found another Garnier Micellar Water. You truly know how much I love it. We have the DU. In my defense, I have finished this. Oh my god, I love it, and how I will repurchase it. It contains ceramides. One thing I would say that for me, I have extremely dry skin, so मैं ये एकदम winters में, like right now I feel like it is working well, but I would need a little bit more hydration. But this worked so well for like from my like March to September, October months. It just performed really well. You just need 2 pumps and your face is like good to go, and it has like 350 pumps. Like you can literally use this for, I would say, like 6 months straight if you buy it, which is absolutely amazing. The next is the Chemist at Play Daily Body Wash, exfoliating body wash. Again, I prefer exfoliating body washes because I have a lot of body acne. So again, I loved it. Although I would say ये जल्दी खत्म हो गया है, just an opinion, but I do really liked it, and for the price that it is a very affordable one. You get it on sale also most of the time. So if you're looking for like a lactic acid ones, this is the one for you. I have finished the Love Beauty and Planet Hair Fall Control Oil Black Seed Patchouli Hair Oil. Literally मैंने खत्म कर दिया है. I think I used this for like months or even years. मैंने like literally निकाल के, you just have to massage it. I love the experience of it. I wouldn't say that it helped a lot in like hair growth, but it did the job well, right? So yeah, again, love it. It smells also quite pleasant. I would say it's not too like irritating. It's a very mild smell, which is what I like. Then we have the Toni & Guy Heat Protectant Mist. This is the cute small size. I preferred this because it is perfect for travel as well. So you just have to spray it and then you're good to go. Thoda expensive hai, but I feel like it is a good brand and especially a really good quality product. Then I have the Victoria's Secret's Velvet Petals Body Mist. This my friend gifted to me when she was in the US. She got it for me. I love it. I love the scent of it. I feel like बहुत कम है, वो spray ही नहीं होता है. Yeah, now it's spraying. Wow. But you can see literally nothing is in here. And then I have the Nykaa Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom Body Mist. Again, I just love body mist. You can't go wrong with body mist. So yeah, Then I have the Anomaly Smoothing Conditioner. Now this my mom was using and she really loved it. So I'm having another Anomaly product for her in my house. But yeah, she really liked it. Again, I think it lasted her like for months and months. And you can see the halat of this. She truly loved it and used it till the end. The hyaluronic acid from Ordinary, the B4 one. Oh my god, just look at it. It is so, I mean, I'm on the second bottle of this in my house and वो भी मैंने आधा खत्म किया है. Best hyaluronic acid I would say, you know, especially for extremely dry skin. This really moisturizes your skin and keeps the moisture intact for longer periods of time. And then I have the Dot & Key Vitamin C Watermelon Sunscreen, the pink variant. Again, बहुत ही कम बचा. I don't feel like, yeah, like मैंने literally इसको इतना use किया. Yeah, nothing is coming out. I wish the packaging was a little bit different, but I love this for dry skin. Oh my god, it's literally a savior. Light pink packaging. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but yeah, highly recommend. Very affordable as well. The Dove body scrub. I don't think I love any other body scrub than the Dove one. It is so freaking good. I love it. I cannot even like go back to any other scrub. Once you use this, you're gonna love it. Of course, like you get a big handful of the tub, right? So you just have to lather. Trust me, oh my god, perfection. Highly recommend repurchasing it. I already have a lot of body scrubs जो मुझे PR में मिले, so you know what, I'm gonna first use that, not let anything go to waste, and then I'm gonna buy that. The next thing, again, I feel like multiple empties, is basically the Wishcare hair growth serum. 2 of them I've emptied. Cannot even, like, you guys know, like I think I'm on like my 3rd or 4th bottle as of now. मैंने already थोड़े बहुत empties फेंक दिए हैं उसके, but I love it. You guys need to try it if you haven't. I have the Streaks Vitamin Hair Gloss. I'm so sorry about the packaging. It looks very gross because इस पे कुछ तो चिपक गया है. I don't like that. But look at that. It is the hair serum gloss. I mean, I'm telling you, just need like 1 or 2 pumps and just apply it all over your hair. Lovely, and it is also a very small size, so I absolutely loved it because you could just carry it everywhere and it is paisa vasool. Then we have the Simple Refreshing Face Wash. Again, loved it. Very amazing for sensitive skin. Highly recommended. जगह खत्म हो रही है, कहाँ पे क्या क्या रखूँ समझ नहीं रहा है. Last 2 products, I feel like rest of them I've already talked in my empties in the past video, which I filmed probably in June. So I have the Saint Ives 2% Clarifying BHA Toner. Very affordable, you guys. Myntra पे बहुत अच्छे सेल में मिलता है. It performed so well. For some reason, BHAs perform super well on my skin. AHAs do not perform well on my skin. But when I tried this, you guys, my skin was super great. I used it every day because it is 2% BHA and my skin is used to BHA. So मैं ये cotton pad पे लेके हमेशा ऐसे pat करती थी, और you just take it in your hand and then just pat it dry. Love this for my skin. I'm using other BHAs as well, but if I had to buy, I would definitely go ahead and buy this. मैं क्या बताऊँ? Again, like if you don't have the budget for the Ordinary one, I would recommend you to try this one. ये खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा था. I have been trying to finish this for the longest time, like for months I would say. Every morning I used to use this hyaluronic acid. You literally need like 2 drops, that's it, apply on your face, you are good to go, especially for dry skin, right? And then I finished the hyaluronic acid. But this product, oh my god, amazing, love it. Love the packaging also. The color is also very cute, so highly recommend it. And if anyone is looking for a really affordable hyaluronic acid which works like magic, this is the one. So lastly, I have this Miniso perfume which I just finished. I don't know if you get it. Again, like I think I've finished so many perfumes and body mist. I love that because you know what, you guys, I have too many. So yeah, I'm trying to finish them until the end, but sometimes you can't just spray it. And yeah, that's what I've finished. So that was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and make sure to watch the next videos because those are gonna be the best skincare and makeup of 2024. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.